पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं वादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्वशाख्या बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 760. So what is the prakaranam going on? Purvapakshi said Nitya karma does not have any phalam given by the Shastra. In Veda, Nitya karma phalam is not given. And therefore, moksha is the Nitya karma phalam. Siddhanti said moksha cannot be Nitya karma phalam. So in so many ways, the discussion is going on. Main thing is, if it is Nitya karma, it will have karmatva. It will be anitya phalam. It will be one of these four, utpadya, apya, samskarya, vikarya. None of this, neither we want moksha as anitya, nor we want atma or moksha to be utpadya, apya, samskarya, because atma is always available. In other words, I am Brahma is a fact. So these things don't work. And then Manusmriti was quoted, in which it was said Atmayaji is Shreya or Shreyan compared to Devayaji. So therefore, those who do Atmayajanam means they do Nitya Karma, Chitta Shuddhi, etc. and then seek Atma, they attain moksha. Their understanding will be Sarva Bhutastham Atmanam, Sarva Bhutani Cha Atmani in this. And the other smritis that were quoted to show that they all are pramanam. Like Manusmriti Vakya which said Brahma, Vishwasrijo, etc. They all are within samsara. Those who do Nishiddha karma, Nindita karma, they will have patanam, ityadi, ityadi. And Brahmaha will get different yonis. Purvapakshi feels all of them are not Yathartha Vakya. They are all some Arthavada Vakya. So that's what we saw in Tika. Nanu sthavarādīnām śrauta smarta karma phalatva abhavat na taddarshanena vachanānām bhūtārthatvam shakyam kalpayitum ataha na cha. So sthavarādi yoni janma śrauta smarta karma phalatva abhavat. There is no Shrauta karma or smarta karma which will say you will become sthavara. Purvapakshi thinks like this. So those vakyas, they are not bhutartha vakya. Bhashya, nacha shruti smriti vihita pratisheda vyatirekena vihitani va pratisiddhani va karmani kenachid avagantum shakyante. Other than Shruti, Smriti, Vihita and Pratishidha Vakya, there are no other Vihita Pratishedha Vakya. I mean, there are no other Vihita Pratishedha Karma. So, Kenachit, by anyone, na avagantum shakyante. Tika, Sevadi Drashta Karana Samya api, Phala Vaishamya Upalambhat, Avashyam Atindriyam Karanam Vachyam. सेवादि दृष्ट कारण साम्य अपि. Two people do the same seva. Drishta karanam is same, but phala has vaishamya. Phala bheda is there. Phala vaishamya upalambhat, and therefore avashyam atindriyam karanam vachyam. There is some atindriya karan. Means everything is not only pratyaksha that if this person did this, that they will get. Atindriya is there. न च तत्र श्रुति स्मृति विहाय अन्यन्मानम अस्ति. And other than Shruti and Smriti, there is no other pramanam. तथा च श्रौत स्मार्त कर्म कृतान्येव स्थावरादीनि फलानि इत्यर्थः. श्रौत स्मार्त कर्म कृतानि स्थावरादीनि फलानि. Sthavara phala is also either you do some Shrauta Smarta but Nishiddha karma, then you will get Sthavara yoni. As 14 number tippani है, तत्र तेषाम अनुष्ठान द्वारा प्रयोजकत्वात् निषिद्धानां च हानार्थम श्रुत्यादि उक्ततया श्रौतत्वात्. So that Nishiddha karma will give you Sthavara gati. सन्निहित असन्निहितेषु स्थावरादिषु प्रत्यक्षानुमानयोर यथा योगम प्रवृत्तिरुन्नेया. संहित असन्निहितेषु स्थावरादिषु. Sannihita means that which is proximate. Asannihita means not proximate. स्थावरादिषु प्रत्यक्ष अनुमानयोर यथा योगम प्रवृत्तिः. So they have given one drishtanta in 15 number tippani. प्रत्यक्ष अनुमानयोः इति इदम लवंगादि फलम सकारणकम फलत्वात्. This lavangadi phalam. Lavang is phalam. Is given as lavangadi phalam. Sakaranakam. It has karanam because it is a phalam. Sampratipanna, but as anything which is sakaranakam phalatvat, it will have some karya. Ityadi anumanam asannihita sthavaradi vishayam unneyam. Asannihita sthavaradi vishayam, some anumanam you can do. So sannihita is for pratyaksha, asannihita anumana. In this way you have to put. यथा योगम प्रवृत्तिरुन्नेया. स्थावराणाम जीव शून्यत्वात् अकर्म फलत्वम इति केचित् तान् प्रत्याह. Somebody says sthavara is not jiva. Sthavaranam jiva shunyatvat. It is not a karma phalam. Some people say tan pratyaha na cha esham akarma phalatvam kenachid abhyupagamyate. So because when we see so many trees, in particular here in Himalayas and all, go to Char Dham Yatra, everywhere it is just trees everywhere. How will you accept, means understand that so many jivas did so many karmas to become sthavara? And this is just one part of the world where there is sthavara. Like in so many other parts of the world, so many forests are there. Within India itself, there are so many all over the world. So many are there, and they all are these jivas who get sthavara gati. So here Bhagavan Bhashyakar says, one line we didn't do. Yesham, in Bhashya, Yesham akaranat anushthanacha preta shva sukar stavaradini karma phalani pratyaksha anumanabhyam upalapyante. there is no pratika for that. Huh? Yesham akaranat. Yesham श्रुति स्मृति अतिरिक्त मान सिद्धानाम. श्रुति स्मृति श्रुति स्मृति अतिरिक्त इज गिवन. अतिरिक्त प्रमाण सिद्धानाम. श्रुति स्मृति सिद्धानाम, तो इट इज इजी. अकरणात् अनुष्ठानाच्च. सो विहितानाम अकरणात् प्रतिषिद्धानाम अनुष्ठानाच्च. इन दिस वे यू शुड पुट श्रुति स्मृति विहितानाम अकरणात् श्रुति स्मृति प्रतिषिद्धानाम अनुष्ठानाच्च प्रेत श्व सूकर स्थावरादीनि कर्म फलानि. दिस काइंड ऑफ कर्म फल, somebody will become preta, श्व सूकर स्थावर. कर्म फलानि प्रत्यक्ष अनुमानाभ्याम उपलभ्यन्ते. Many times people think this, this part of Shastra I don't want to know, because there are enough Vihita karma, which acharana I don't do. There are enough Pratisiddha karma I do. And all the time they'll say you will become Preta, Shva, Sukara, and I want to meditate. I am Brahma. I am Brahma. So these, whenever such vakyas come, let's move forward. This prasanga is not relevant. This is as much relevant. That's why Bhagavan Vasyakar is writing. And this is also karma phala, and people have it. It is not random. न च येषाम् अकर्म फलत्वं केनचिद् अभ्युपगम्यते. येषां कर्म फलत्वं न केनचिद् अभ्युपगम्यते. अकर्म फलत्वं, that they are not karma phala, nobody can accept. I mean, nobody should accept in this way that they are not karma phala. They are karma phala, and they will be given to those who do nishidha acharana and vihita akarana. टीका. अस्मदादिवद एव वृक्षादीनां वृद्ध्यादि दर्शनात् सजीवत्व प्रसिद्धेः. Asmadadivad, if we grow, trees are also growing. If we have, there is jiva in us, there also jiva is there. We have decay, they also decay, and they also collapse. Actually, Chandogya is the Shruti for this. In Chandogya 6th chapter, it is given, Jiva na mriyate.
Idam mriyate na jivo mriyate.
Idam, whatever shariram, mriyate na jivo mriyate. So, from one shakha, if jiva withdraws, shushyati, that shakha will become dry in this. Here another quotation is given. Pashyanti padapa ityadi prayogacha tesham karma phalatva siddhir ityartha. Pashyanti padapaha. Padapaha vrikshaha. Pashyanti desi. Therefore they have karma phalatva siddhi. Sthavarādīnām karma phalatve siddhe phalitam aha. So finally somebody says, okay, what are you accomplishing through this? That sthavara is also karma phala. तस्माद् विहित अकरण प्रतिषिद्ध सेविनां यथा एते कर्म विपाकाः प्रेत तिर्यक् स्थावरादयस् तथा उत्कृष्टेषु अपि ब्रह्मान्तेषु कर्म विपाकत्वं वेदितव्यम्. Just as विहित अकरण प्रतिषेध सेवनम will give you प्रेत तिर्यक् स्थावरादि योनि, In the same way, if you do utkrishta karma, Brahma gati is also karma vipakatvam, karma phalatvam. ब्रह्मादीनां पुण्य कर्म फलत्वे अपि प्रकृते किम स्यात् तदाह. Okay, Brahma ji also, Brahma Sharira is Punya Karma Phala. Prakriti Kim Syat, what is accomplished here in this? Tasmat. Sa Atmano Vapam Udakhidat. So Arodit. Ityadi. One. Na Abhutartha Vadatvam. Saha Prajapati hi Atmano Vapam Udakhidat. So Prajapati ji removed the Vapam. Vapam means fat, charbi. And then Suarodit, so Agni had Rodhanam. So they are not Abhutarthavada. They are not Abhutarthavada. Like that, this Manusmriti Adhyaya is also not Abhutarthavada. Karma Vipaka Prakarana, Tika, next page. Karma Vipaka Prakaranasya Abhutarthavadatva Abhave Drashtante api tanna syat iti shankate. Karma Vipaka Prakaranasya Abhutarthavadatva Abhave. So, Purvapakshi is saying, okay, you showed these two examples. The Prajapati Atmano Vapam Udakhidat and Swarodit. So these two Drishtanta you gave. Drishtante api tanna syat. He says, but still that Manusmriti Prakarana, Karma Vipaka Prakaranasya Abhutarthavadatva Abhava. There Abhutarthavadatva Abhave Drishtante api tanna syat. Abhutarth, see in Bhashya, he said, Tatra api Abhutarthavadatvam ma bhut. Abhutarthavadatvam ma bhut means Bhutarthavadatvam astu. It is Bhutarthavadat. Siddhanti says Angikaroti. Bhavatu evam. Okay. Katham tarhi Vaidharmya Drashtanta Siddhihi. If you accept that it is Bhutarthavada, then your Drashtanta of Prajapati and Agni, they will become Vaidharmya Drashtanta. Because those Drashtantas, somebody says it didn't happen actually, that Prajapati, Atmano, Vapam, Udakhidat, etc., etc. So then they will become Vaidharmya Drashtanta. How Vaidharmya Drashtanta Siddhi is there? Katham tarhi Vaidharmya Drashtanta Siddhi iti aha. Ataha na cha etavata asya nyayasya bado bhavati. Na cha asmat paksho va dushyati. By this Nyaya Badha is not happening and Asmat Paksha Dosha is also not there. Whether it is Sadharmya Drashtanta you take or Vaidharmya Drashtanta, that Karma Phala will give this kind of Gati. This is a Pramana Vakya. If you say, if you do such karmas, you will get Shwa, Sukara, Khara, Go, Avi, Aja, this kind of yoni, it is only Arthavada. So that part he discusses now. Vaidharmya Drashtanta Abhava Matrena Karma Vipaka Adhyayasya. Karma Vipaka Adhyaya means this Manusmriti Dwadasha Adhyaya. Na Abhutartha Vadata. इति अस्य न्यायस्य नैव बाधः साधर्म्य दृष्टान्ताद् अपि तत् सिद्धेः इत्यर्थः. through sadharmya drashtant also that siddhi can happen. How? ननु प्रजापति ही आत्मनो वपाम उदखिदत् इत्यादीनाम अभूतार्थवादत्व अभावे कथम अर्थवाद अधिकरणम घटिष्यते तत्राह. प्रजापति ही आत्मनो वपाम उदखिदत्. This Prajapati, he took out the fat from his own body. इत्यादि नाम अभूतार्थवादत्व अभावे. अभूतार्थवादत्व अभाव means they have bhutarthavadatva. Then how arthavad adhikaranam? Arthavad adhikaranam in मीमांसक. See 6 number टिप्पणी. आम्नायस्य क्रियार्थत्वाद अनर्थक्यम अतदर्थानां तस्माद नित्यम उच्यते. This is called अर्थवाद अधिकरण. Now you will know, because we have seen it at least once earlier. In Purva Mimamsa, somebody is raising objection to Jaimini Maharshi, that according to you, Veda Tatparya is in karma. But in Veda, there are vakyas which are only Arthavada Vakya. If they are only Arthavada Vakya, then Amnaya Shabd is supposed to be only Kriyarthatvat, and any other Vakya is Atadarthanam Anarthakyam. So there should be Anarthakyam of all those Vakyas. So your Arthavada Vakya, they are not for Kriya. Therefore their Anarthakyam will be there. Tasmad Anityam. Anityam means that this kind of understanding that Veda Vakyas are only Karma Pratipadaka or Karya Pratipadaka, this is Anitya. This is not a certain statement. So therefore, Katham Arthavada Adhikaranam Ghatishyate. If it is Bhutarthavada, Prajapati, this mantra must be coming there in that context. So according to Mimamsakas, this Prajapati Ratmano Vapam Udakhidat is Arthavada Vakya. And this Swarodit is also Arthavada Vakya. What is the Arthavada? Arthavada Vakya. So what is the Ekavakyata here? Padekavakyata. Vedanta Paribhasha, if you remember, is Padekavakyata. What is the one pada in which that entire set of Vakya will culminate in? Either Stuti or Ninda. This is called Padekavakya. Only in one pada that entire thing has to be summarized. So, for this yaga, some particular yaga, Prajapati did so much. Atmano Vapam Udakhidat. This is Stuti. Similarly, Swarodit. So what that is for what?
Ninda.
Ninda of what?
Silver.
Parhishi Rajatam Nadeyam. Rajata should not be gone. That Ninda. So it is only one pada. Padaika Vakyata. Katham Arthavadadhikaranam Ghatishyate. How will you explain that then? Tatraha. न च एतावता अस्य न्यायस्य बाधो अस्ति न च अस्मत् पक्षो वा दुष्यति. न च is only once. न च एतावता अस्य न्यायस्य बाधो भवति. How? तद अघटनायाम अपि न अस्मत् पक्ष क्षतिः. तद अघटनायाम, if it did not happen, let's say, means it is Arthavada. Even if it is Arthavada, न अस्मत् पक्ष क्षति तवैव तद अभूतार्थवादत्वं त्यजतस् तद विरोधाद इत्यर्थः. It is your kshati. You give up this idea that it is abhutartha vadatvam त्यजतः. No, you the one who is tava tad abhutarthavadatvam त्यजतः tad virodhat. You the one who is rejecting abhutarthavadatvam tava virodhat. अस्मत् पक्षे दोषो नास्ति. ननु कर्म विपाक प्रकरणस्य अर्थवादत्व अभावे अपि ब्रह्मादीनां काम्य कर्म फलत्वात् न ज्ञान संयुक्त नित्य कर्म फलत्वं ततो मोक्ष एव तत्फलम् इति अतः आह. कर्म विपाक प्रकरणस्य अर्थवादत्व अभावे अपि. कर्म विपाक प्रकरण मीन्स दिस द्वादश अध्याय ऑफ मनुस्मृति. अर्थवादत्व अभावे अपि ब्रह्मादीनां काम्य कर्म फलत्वात्. ब्रह्मा जी whatever they have attained is part of kamya karma phalatvat na jnana sanyukta nitya karma phalatvam. So that is not jnana sanyukta nitya karma phalatvam. Therefore tato moksha eva tat phalam. jnana sanyukta nitya karma phalatvam moksha eva. He says because Brahma ji they are all kamya karma. So now nitya karma still doesn't have any phalam. You can include upasana also. Upasana with nitya karma is available still, so it is still moksha. The pratika there says cha cheti, not cha cheti, na cheti, na cha. न च ब्रह्मा विश्वसृज इत्यादीनां काम्य कर्म फलत्वं शक्यं वक्तुम्. ब्रह्मा विश्वसृज एक्सेट्रा, it is not kamya karma phalatvam na shakyam vaktum. Why? Tesham means kamyanam karmanam deva sarštitayaha phalasya uktatvat. Deva sarštitaya devaihi indradibihi samana aishwarya praptehe ityartha. Deva sarštita means devaihi indradibihi samana aishwarya. This we saw in the previous session. Sarshti means you have samana aishwarya. Equal powers are available. In other words, if it is kamya karma, you will get deva sarshti. Kesham means kamyanam karmanam. Kamya karma will get deva sarshti as the phalam. Then nishkama karma along with upasana will give you chitta shuddhi also, and that chitta shuddhi, if it is up to there will be gradation. Taratamya will be there. Somebody did this much nitya karma and this much upasana. somebody more nitya karma, more upasana for longer period of time, they will get greater phalam. Chitta shuddhi will be adrishta phalam. Brahma padvi, Vishwasruja padvi, etc. will be adrishta phalam. So you will get both. Because the question was, Brahmadinam kamya karma phalatvat, na sanyukta nitya karma phalatvam. So Siddhanti said, no. Brahma Vishwasruja ityadinam न च ब्रह्मा विश्वसृज इत्यादि नाम काम्य कर्म फलत्वम शक्यम वक्तुम. मीन्स ब्रह्मा विश्वसृज, those positions are not through kamya karma only. Some kamana may be there, but it is primarily through shuddhi. ननु विद्या संयुक्तानाम नित्यानाम कर्मणाम फलम ब्रह्मादि भावश्चेत. This is what Siddhanti said. So Purva Pakshi is repeating that. If you say Vidya Sanyukta Nitya Karma Phalam is Brahmadi Bhava, Chet Katham Tani Jnanotpatyarthani Asthiyante, then how do you say Nitya Karma along with Upasana? They will give you Chitta Shuddhi, Vairagya, then they will be useful for Jnanam. Tasmat Sabhisandhinam Nityanam Karmanam Sarva Meda Ashwamedhadinam cha Brahmatvadini Phalani. So I think this should be clear now. Nitya Karma also can be with Kamana, and Nitya Karma can be with Nishkama Bhava. So Tasmat Sabhisandhinam. Sabhisandhi means Sakama. Abhisandhi here means Kamana. Sakama Karma means Sakama Bhavena Nitya Karma will give you Sarvamedha Karma like Sarvamedha, Ashwamedha, etc. You will get Brahmatva, Brahma Vishwasruja positions. Kamya Karma, karmas which are performed with Kamana, etc., you will get those phalam like Swargadi or Devasarshti. Karmanam mukti phalatva abhavas tatshabdartha. Tatshabdartha in Tasmat. साभिसंधीनाम देवता भावे फले अनुरागवताम इति यावत्. साभिसंधीनाम देवता भावे फले अनुरागवताम. So they have some anuraga. Anuraga means attachment. Anuragavatam, but adhikarinam it is given. So anuraga is there, but adhikari is also there. Kartari Shashti. टीका. नित्यानि कर्माणि श्रौतानि स्मार्तानि च अग्निहोत्र संध्या उपासन प्रभृतीनि निरभिसंधिनी फलाभिलाष विकलानि परमेश्वरार्पण बुद्ध्या क्रियमाणानि. नित्य कर्म like Shrauta, Smarta, etc., Agnihotra, Sandhya, Upasana, starting from there, Niravisandhini, Phalavilasha, Vikalani. When they are performed without Phalavilasha, Niravisandhini, Phalavilasha, Vikalani, Parmeshwara Arpana Buddhya Kriyamana. Now, this Karma Yoga Siddhanta, another aspect is added. Ishwararpana buddhi, Parmeshwararpana buddhya kriyamanani karmani nityani येषां पुनर्नित्यानि निरविसन्धिनी आत्मसंस्कारार्थानि तेषां ज्ञानोत्पत्त्यर्थानि तानि. नित्यानि निरविसन्धिनी atma, so nitya karma performed by someone who has no kamana. Atma samskararthani, they are performed only for atma samskara. Shuddhi. Atma here means antakaranam. See, it is given in Tika. Atma shabdo mano vishayah. Tesham jnanotpatyarthani tani. Tesham tani karmani jnanotpatyarthani. For them, those karmas will produce jnanam. Karmanam chitta shuddhi dwara jnanotpatyarthatve pramanam aha. Now, what is the pramanam that karma will do chitta shuddhi and jnanotpatti? Brahmiyam kriyate tanuhu. It is smaranat. They will have a sharira which is capable of brahma jnanam. Kathan tarhi karmanam moksha sadhanatvam kechid achakshate tatra. Then why some people they say through karma there is moksha. Karma is the moksha sadhanam. Katham kechid achakshate tatraha tesham arad upakarakatvat moksha sadhanyani api कर्माणि भवन्ति इति न विरुध्यते. आरात उपकारकत्व. आरात is for samip also and arat is for dura also. But here you have to take arat as dura. It's paramparagat what we said already. Tesham arat upakarakatvat moksha sadhanani. So directly they don't give moksha. But if you don't do yajna, dana, tapa, etc., if you don't do Ishwararpana buddhya, your nitya karma, then preparation is not done. I will not have inclination for moksha. Other ideas will keep coming. I want to do this, I want to do that. Samskrita buddhinam iti yavat. Tesham means Samskrita buddhinam, for them it is arad upkarak. Karmanam paramparaya moksha sadhanatvam katham siddhavat uchyate. How do you say karma paramparaya moksha sadhanam? तथा च अयम अर्थः षष्ठे जनकाख्यायिका समाप्तौ वक्ष्यामः. In the sixth chapter means चतुर्थ अध्याय. Janakakhyaika samaptau. When Janakakhyaika is over, at that time it will be said. Vakshyamaha. 4:4:22. Tametam vedanu vachanena brahmanaha vividishanti. Yajnena danena tapasa anashakena. Very important. You have to see those people who don't do yajna, don't do dana, and don't do tapa, and expect chitta shuddhi, and it is said, like we saw in Kiranavali today, dharma shaya happens through bhoga. So every day there is some bhoga. So it is all going. No new punya is added. So after some time, Shine punya, Rishikesh is given up then. Means adhyanam you will miss. This is what happens. Other things keep coming. Either you want it, or even if you don't want it, it will just interfere. Tatha cha means ayam arthas tatha iti shesha. Nirastam api adhika vivakshaya punaha anuvadati. Even though this is negated, once again somebody brings it up. Yattu vishadadhyadivat iti uktam. And you said karma along with some variety will give you moksha, like dadi with शर्करा विषम विथ मंत्र तत्र प्रत्यक्ष अनुमान विषयत्वात् अविरोधः. इन दोज दृष्टांत टीका विषादेर मंत्रादि सहितस्य जीवनादि हेतुत्वं प्रत्यक्षादि सिद्धम् अतो दृष्टान्ते कार्य आरंभकत्वे विरोधो नास्ति इत्याह. In Drishtanta, it is pratyaksha that even if somebody takes Visha with mantra, there is no problem. He lives longer, etc. कर्मणो विद्या संयुक्तस्य कार्यांतर आरंभकत्व लक्षणो अर्थः शब्देनैव गम्यते. कर्मणः विद्या संयुक्तस्य कार्य आरंभकत्व लक्षण is known only through Shabda Pramana. It is not known through Pratyaksha, it is not known through Anuman. So in Vishadadhyadi, Sharkara, etc., mantra, that is Pratyaksha, you can do that. Here only Shastra is Pramana. If Shastra says you will not be able to do, you will not be able to. If Shastra says Nitya Karma does not give you moksha, it will not give. Just because you add some upasana or add something else, it will never give. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.